One of the biggest issues when doing a multifamily project is tenant communication. When we look at, let's say, a layout of an apartment complex with like 15 buildings, okay, in-house, our project manager, our production manager, they're all looking at it and they're trying to figure out a plan, and we kind of game plan it out. We take that plan, we share it with usually the office manager on site. Say, hey, here's what we'd like to do. Do you see any issues with our plans? And so once we kind of have the grand plan in place, what we do is we start getting with the office manager to giving them some of our literature on what to expect the day of build, when vehicles need to be moved, what safety precautions they need to take because they're living in an active construction site, all of those things. It's crucial and critical. You want happy tenants, we want happy tenants, because we want them to have an experience where, like, I can't believe a roofing company just came in here and provided this white glove service for a roofing project. You give people what to expect, when to expect it, then they can plan around it, and that we can make the process as seamless as possible for having a large construction project. But it's communication. We want to make you look good. That's our goal. You look good in the tenant's eyes, you know, you might get a better renewal, who knows? But that's the main thing, communication.